this is our, what were we gonna call this thing? Medieval castle. With the walls so nobody can escape around here. And we have some torture chambers. Just anybody who sneaks out will get caught. Because there is no way out. So either way you get out, you will fall. And here we come around inside if you happen to get in. If you have to get captured. Here's the inside with all the stuff that you will want. By the way, we are going to be destroying this in just a few minutes. Just showing you right here some torture chambers, little offices, and here's the cabins of all the people. And there's a little hut where all the really bad prisoners stay. And over there is not it's more like where the executors stay. Alright, and now we are going to destroy this. Alright, and here's our dragon over here. If anybody gets bad, there's our dragon. So, yeah. Alright, now, not yet. Alright, and now we're going to destroy this and using that airplane coming in. And KJ is going to fuel it up and it's going to come in. Here it comes. Not yet, KJ. And now, here it comes. Go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. All that's left. And there's the airplane in crash. KJ, take it. And, oh my gosh. No, not the dragon. Oh, the dragon is destroying it. And here comes the airplane. Oh, there went the airplane. Oh, jeez. And look at the remains. And look, oh, a mysterious cup. Oh my gosh. Ah. Jeez. Ah. And there is the dragon, which is oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, the dragon. And there went our medieval. Oh god. Alright, and there is some stuff. And here's the remains on the floor. And here is our little survivor. Almost. He fell over.